Hello trader, hope that you had an enjoyable weekend and ready for another trading week. Starting with GBPJPY, past week we can see that GJ was in a very strong uptrend, and this week we see the price is coming down for a pullback. So let's see where is our next entry point on GJ. First of all, I will be looking at the higher time frame to see overall direction in the market. Now looking at higher time frame from the monthly, we can see that GBPJPY is a long-term bullish market. We have seen a monthly impulse, quite a few months of consolidation, ultimately a breakdown, a false breakdown, followed by previous months a bullish candle. Now if we look at the past month's bullish candle, we can see that after this breakdown it was a complete fake down, followed by this monthly candle is a representation of a new bullish momentum to the upside. And as a result, this month we have seen that initial pullback and the price started to bounce to the upside again to create a new higher high, as the market already has made a move expecting GJ to come down to retest and then to bounce back again. Looking at the weekly chart on GBPJPY, we can see that this is the weekly impulse followed by a pullback. And previous week we saw another bullish candle. Now if we look at this weekly bullish candle, we can see that the prices form series of higher high and higher low, which is a potential starting of uptrend. Now what I think this week we might see pullback and then continuation to the upside on GBPJPY. Now looking at the daily, we see a bit more clearer picture. We can see that there is a double bottom breakout. Last day of trading week has formed a doji from the daily, and that doji represents that the price might come down now this week initially for deeper pullback. This is the daily low. As the market has got a rejection, we could see initially breaking down from this daily low, creating an overextension, and later we might see the price again going up to create a new higher high. So looking at the intraday time frame, we can see that there is a huge impulse, and if you closely look at, there is a liquidity zone here with this doji, and bullish engulfer is the zone where there is a high liquidity. And I think that now the price is coming down for a pullback, expecting GBPJPY to drop down further to this liquidity zone where there is a 20 EMA, and also this zone where we saw a huge rejection, and expecting GBPJPY to come down for grabbing further liquidity. If we see that GJ is here and giving us that suitable entry according to the rules of our strategies, we look for going long with a high probability trade setup. If you enjoyed this analysis, give a thumbs up and also follow me on TradingView. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.